Hey, I'm Nia and I'm here to save you time by showing you a clear way to start trading as a beginner. This method is based on my years of experience and analysis of real market conditions. It's not about memorizing theories, it's about working actual solutions so you can start making confident decisions. Sounds good? Then let's walk through it together and we'll see how small steps can lead to big results. Let's get started. Let's analyze the chart today with the help of AI Assistant, and in the process of trading, we will switch between assets. It's also super important to check the indicators. They will keep us even more safe. So let's put 3 indicators such as ADX, envelopes, and parabolic on our dashboard. Great, everything's in place. Now let's customize them, starting with ADX. Here we will set the value to 10. In about the styles tab, we'll increase the thickness of the lines a bit so that we can see clearly. The next indicator is envelopes. Here we will set it to 16. Next we will set it to 0003. Here we'll set it to WMA. Here we'll leave it open, increase the line thickness and save. The next indicator is parabolic. Here we increase the thickness of the lines and save as well. And let's get down to business. What an interesting set of indicators we've got. Waiting for the first message from the assistant AI. So we start with the first couple. We get a message from the AI assistant. We switch to it. And there's a rather ambiguous situation here, but our assistant suggests we open a downtrend and let's give it a shot. And yes, indeed, our price has gone solidly lower. We are taking our plus in this case. So what can we notice here? Indicators tells us that in this case, we also had to go down from the resistance level. We did, even though the situation seemed ambiguous to me at first glance. We can also notice that the fact that we have confirming downward lines from our indicators. It's simple enough. We increase the amount of our investment and continue. So we get the next message from our assistant and let's see how we're doing here. Before we go any further, here's something important. Unlike manual trading, which is easily influenced by emotions or fatigue, my AI assistant is a cool, calculated algorithm that works 24/7. It scans the market and sends you entry points automatically. Many people in my community already feel much more confident just by following its insights. If you're curious and want to give it a try, there's a link in the description to get started. And what we can notice here is that after the correction, we are waiting for the trend to continue and we are ready to go higher. By the way, the AI assistant sends the same message to open a trade app. And yes, friends, let's take a look at our position has performed on this section of the chart. Let's turn our attention to our indicators here. Look how fast the lines on the envelopes indicator are going. On the ADX indicator, it is also quite clear here we have lines. We're going at the moment of opening a deal on the upside, and that is why we also open with confidence a deal upwards. And also our AI assistant saves us, as always, doesn't let us down, and we're moving on. Alright friends, we're getting the following message. We can pay attention to the fact that here, judging by the situation, we should go up from the support level, and we also get a similar message from the AI helper. We open here on the upside and wait for the trend to close. And yes, friends, our deal is closing with a positive result too. Let's check our indicators and also see what our assistant offers us. By indicators, we can also notice that everything here is quite clear. As for the ADX, the lines went to convergence, and this told us that further the chart will go for a reversal in this case. So everything worked out clearly. Let's move on. When you're in the right environment, everything becomes more accessible and less overwhelming. That's what my channel is all about. Helping beginners not only learn useful insights, but also apply them using my AI assistant, which takes care of the routine analysis. It saves you time and helps you understand the process without unnecessary complications. If you've been wanting to start but didn't know how, check the link in the description. So, What do we have here that's interesting? Here we can notice a trend to break the support level, so in this case we have to go down. And just as I get the message that the price will go down, we open on the decline. And yes, friends, look, both the indicators and our AI assistant confirm my theory. We're taking our success with confidence, friends. I don't enter a trade mindlessly. I confirm everything myself with indicators. And let's consider the following situation. So, friends, I get a message for us to open a new asset, and let's see what's so interesting. I see a strong trend going up for us. I would bet up here. And of course, the AI assistant also sent us a message to open up for promotion. Not once did it fail. Amazing. And we take away our next success, friends. The right candle jumps up and moves further upward in the direction we want. And also, as always, the indicators and our helper confirm our theory. It's simple enough. Let's do our final surgery for the day. If at any point the video felt a little confusing, don't worry, that's completely normal. And this is exactly where the AI assistant can help most. It simplifies things instead of making them harder. Its job is to find suitable entry points and then send them directly to you. Follow the link in the description and see how it works in real life, just like my subscribers do. Kisco promotion, last time I saw it, I was greatly assumed by its predictability. So I get a text message to tell me to open up for promotion. Let's take advantage of the AI assistant. We went from the support level and we see that the candle broke the level and went further to the upside. That's a great result. We also checked with the indicators, checked with our assistant's forecasts, and indeed the price is not letting us down and is heading in the right direction. I think it's a great result. What do you think? That's it for today. If my approach made sense to you and this too felt like a helpful compass in the market maze, maybe now's the time to take that first step and try it out for yourself. Over 17,000 people are already using this roadmap, while my AI assistant helps them save time and find solid entry points. Don't wait too long. Sometimes the small steps is all it takes to a much bigger journey. I'll see you on the inside.